Hello and welcome back to your ClickUp Bestie podcast. And today we're going to be diving into how ClickUp can be your ultimate tool for staying consistent as a content creator. Whether you're a blogger, a podcaster, or a YouTuber, consistency is key to growing your audience and keeping them engaged. So in this episode, let's explore how ClickUp can help you achieve that. Okay, so first up, organizing your ideas. ClickUp is fantastic for organizing all your creative ideas. With its flexible task management system, you can create lists or boards to capture every spark of inspiration. Use a folder to store your ideas for future content or even start writing them down on a document. And never worry about losing track of a great concept because all your ideas will be in one place, just one app for everything. This means you can always have a pool of ideas ready to go, ensuring you never miss a posting deadline. Now, if you're anything like me, when you're planning your content, you like to get everything done in advance so you know that you've got a week or month's content under your belt ready to go. Well, ClickUp can help you with all your planning and scheduling. ClickUp's calendar view allows you to map out your content visually. You can set due dates, assign tasks, and even integrate with other calendar apps to keep everything in sync. By having a clear plan laid out, you can ensure a steady stream of content, helping you maintain consistency and keep your audience engaged. And finally, let's talk about collaboration or working with other people. You know, eventually you may be getting brand deals or people coming in wanting you to support their products. And ClickUp makes collaboration seamless. You can assign tasks, share files, and communicate directly within the platform. Yes, you heard that right. No need to go anywhere else. You can have everything on one app. This ensures everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goals. With ClickUp, you can streamline your workflow, reduce miscommunications, and keep your content creation process running smoothly. So there you have it. 3 powerful ways ClickUp can help you stay consistent as a content creator. And remember, consistency is that secret sauce to building and retaining your audience. Remember, if you need any help with ClickUp, you can find a number of tutorials on my YouTube channel, Your ClickUp Bestie. Thank you for tuning in. I really do appreciate the support. And until next time, keep creating and stay consistent.